Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again with another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off these jumping jacks. They're by Phantom Brand Fireworks, as you see, and all the description says it spins on the ground, emits flames and sparks. And it's a 12-pack. I'm not really sure how many I'm going to probably do. I'll probably do maybe 2 or 3. So let's get on to the demo. Alright, so here goes jumping jacks. I'm going to do 1. And then I'm going to do 2 at once. So here goes the first one. Not bad, not bad. Alright, I'm going to do the 2 at once now. So here we go. If I can get both of these to light, let's find out. Here we go. There we go. 2 at once. Not bad, not bad. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to see more content.